This is my happy face after clearing Korean immigration. I traveled solo and I can't even believe the fact that I'm in Korea. But yeah, I'm in Korea. By the way, if you're new here, hi and welcome to my channel Adi Sangathi, which means that's the matter. And from today, I'm going to take you into the land of cuteness.
This is your baby you've been waiting for.
Annyeong! We are here in Korea. I'm in Incheon airport right now and I'm going to collect my baggage. These robots, I got to know that these robots will take you to your baggage. I wish I could use them. Let me know if anyone of you have used those robos. And yeah, anyways, I collected my baggage and here are some things that you need to know before you get started. Something like exchanging the currency, getting your WOW pass, adding money to your T-Money card and a lot more stuff. So I'll definitely be making a separate video on how to get started because you will definitely need that. Even Google Maps doesn't work there, so Naver Maps makes all the stuff much easier. And this is my first Korean snack. I was waiting for the bus. You know what? It was late at night and I wasn't able to get a bus ticket to my accommodation. I started getting panicked and getting confused, and one of our friends, Sangmin, I am really grateful for him. He helped me get a bus ticket. So he literally made my day. Though it was very late at night, like around 1:30 or 2, I never felt unsafe while I was traveling to my accommodation. Unlike in India, maybe people in India have to learn from this. When a woman feels safe walking at midnight, I mean, that is a real freedom. Anyways, I reached my accommodation safely and here we are in day one. Now we are going to JOGYESA temple to watch the Lantern show. So for the context, this is me and my sister-in-law and we are all set to explore the city. Let's go! Right now we are using Naver Maps to get to the location. You know what? The user interface of this app is very similar to Google Maps. So if you don't know Korean language, just like me, you can still manage because the display screens show you the bus numbers and they give you information about when they are going to arrive in English. And also there will be a separate stop for each bus. I could say it is very well organized. If you're a little wise enough, you would definitely not get confused. So all you need to do is verify the route in the map and the bus number at the stop and get onto a bus. The public transport here in Korea, oh my god, I am a big fan of it. It even has charging ports and air conditioning in public transport. You know what? Public transport. And they are very well maintained too. And then we use the T-Money card, which is in the WOW pass, to commute to the location. Let me know if you need a detailed video about WOW pass, T-Money, etc. in the comment sections. So before the fun part, let me give you a brief about where we are going. It is JOGYESA temple. This temple hosts a spectacular lantern display as part of the annual Lotus Lantern Festival celebrating Buddha's birthday. So many people come here. Wait. So you're thinking this is just a light festival, isn't it? This video is gonna prove you wrong because it's much more beyond that. To be honest, we discovered this on a random Instagram reel and thought to give it a try. But this turned out to be one of our most unforgettable lifetime experiences. This is basically a centuries-old tradition which transforms temples with a canopy of paper lanterns. So many people put their wishes onto it and also messages to their ancestors, creating a beautiful view. And on the way, I saw this building which has a QR code painted on it and I felt like, wow, this is so creative. I'll be giving you all the details about when and where does this event happen in the description below. Don't forget to check it out. Having a cozy cup of coffee in my hand would make my experience wholesome. So I was searching for a coffee shop nearby. But I discovered these Korean streets. Like, look at this. How happening they are. It is so colorful and vibrant, isn't it? And finally, I found the cafe which has a kiosk in it. Like most of the cafes have the menu in Korean. So when you have a kiosk in a particular cafe, you can find the menu in English as well. So beginners problems. So this is a place where the parade is gonna happen. It is filled with a lot of people. Actually, there are some chairs you can sit, but if all the chairs are filled, and if you're lucky enough, you will get the front seat on the road like us. So the parade started off like this, and we are like, boring. But look at this. Okay. And then this. It's like, wow. Isn't it? So people were bringing huge light lantern displays like this, and we thought this is it. But soon we saw a lot of people marching with these beautiful dresses and beautiful lights. And this is the first cutest thing I have ever seen in Korea. Oh my god, isn't it so cute? And throughout this video, there are a bunch of highlights that you should not miss. So I included all of them. So you have to watch till the end to experience the full maza. One thing I have to tell you about Korean people, they are so beautiful, man. They look so young and so beautiful. I met a bunch of Korean people and asked them what is your exact secret for looking young. But that I'm going to share with you in some of my vlogs. So keep watching all my Korean vlogs. So what happens in this parade is people sit along the sides of roads and say hi, bye, like which is 안녕하세요 in Korean, which everybody saying hi and bye. I know it sounds so simple, but it was fun meeting a lot of people saying hi, bye to strangers, and you know what? Koreans are so beautiful inside and out. Most of the people in the parade are elders and few of them are younger people like the youth. But I really felt happy for seeing children and youth participating in these cultural events. I mean, that is how our cultural heritage keeps going forward, right? And this is one of my most favorite dance groups. This one made me feel like wow, and this reminded me of one of the villains in Kung Fu Panda series. And here comes the dragon. And do you remember which cartoon is this? Let me know in the comment sections. This was one of my most favorite cartoons that I used to watch in my childhood. And you know what? This person gave some lollipops to us, which was so fun. We didn't even expect that. And guys, this is the most unexpected and the scariest part of this entire festival. It was fun, isn't it? To be honest, I was so lucky to be sitting on the first row, like on the ground, because initially we came early and there were not a lot of people. So we went to the place nearby to grab a cup of coffee. By then the entire streets were totally filled with people, and we were like, oh no, we didn't get any place though we came so early and walked a long distance. Later they asked us to sit on the ground, like that was literally like a first row, and all my job is to say hi bye to everyone and receive some gifts from them. Isn't it so surprising and amazing to receive some gifts from strangers? So we thought this was the end of the parade and we joined the parade at the end. So this was the lollipop we received. Actually, flower. And some random woman came and gave us this lotus light. I still have it in my home. I mean, it was such a memory for me. Do you think this is the end of the parade? Even we thought the same, but it is just half of it. Like the rest of the half is gonna be amazing, mad, crazy, which you will be watching in the next episode. So hope you like this video and I will see you in the next video. Bye.